Hello guys, today I want to cook banga soup. Ofe akwu that you used to eat rice. It's a local kind of stew. I've been trying to stay foreign. In fact, I did not plan to come and be painful though. What I do is live lessons with KC. But I just said, since I cook every day, let me also share that part of my life. But what I had in mind was to stay foreign, like different kinds of spaghetti, make different kinds of sauce and stuff like that. But my friends did not allow me. So they kept telling me, slow power. So they shot to make us slow power now so that they let me rest. The first step is to boil the akwu, that's the banga. So but as I'm boiling the banga, I got ready the things I need to cook the akwu. So here is stock fish and dry fish. Here is the beef. Then salt and seasoning. This is pepper and crayfish. This is onion. This is my meat stock. Then this one, normally there are some local spices that we're supposed to pound when we want to cook akwu. But because nobody likes stress anymore, they've already made it easy for us. We buy it already made banga spices. This is the banga. I'm done boiling it. The next thing is to pound it. Remember, you're not going to pound it in the water to pound it. The next thing I'll do is extract the blood by pouring water. Use a strain and bring out the water. So this is what you get at the end of the day. And I'm going to boil this till the texture changes. It goes from water to soup. You will see the difference. If you're making banga soup for the first time, don't use as much palm kernel as I used though. I used all that palm kernel because I'm cooking 2 different pots of soup. The texture of the banga will show you when it has become a soup. You see how it is now, it's still water. You see the difference when it turns to soup. That is when you now start putting your ingredients. Okay, now if you look, you will see that it has become a soup. You can see the difference. So I'll start adding my ingredients. I'll add my onions. Then I'll add my stock fish and dry fish. Depends on how you're cooking your own. If you cook your stockfish together with your meat, you can add them together. Then I'll put my meat sauce. Immediately I started adding things, I covered my pot. Take note. So now I'll add other things. It's now like 10 minutes later, 10 or 15 minutes later. Add my meat, fish and pepper, salt, spices, seasonings. Then when it comes to this local spices, when I said we are supposed to actually pound things, please take it easy. Just small. Ooh. I like to add a little scent leaf. You can add ugu.